Hey girlies, it's Augusta. Let's just say I've done some damage. I think this is the biggest package I've ever received and she's full of stuff. Today I'm going to be showing you a huge White Fox haul, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. But let's get into it. We've got all the categories going on today: regular clothes, swim, activewear, going out clothes, cute tops, jeans. Starting off with tops, I've got 5 different tops. Most of them are going out tops. If you love Sabrina Carpenter, you're gonna be obsessed with this top. White Fox has a bunch with the heart cutouts. I actually got 2. This is the Never Love Again Strapless Bustier in baby pink. It zips up the back and it feels like a super high quality material with structuring all throughout the corset. I also love a strapless moment because I feel like it's so flattering and shows off skin without being too revealing. You know me, you know I love pink, as you can see, so this is definitely a yes from me. Similarly, as I said, I actually got 2 of the heart cutout Sabrina Carpenter style corset. This one has rhinestones on it, so I feel like the other one is more of a daytime cute brunch vibe, and this is more of a evening going out cute dinner cocktails with the girls vibe. This one is actually double lined, so it feels like even better quality, even though they both are amazing quality. And it zips up the back in the same way. Look at that bedazzle. I'm obsessed with this glitter, and sequins are so in this summer. This is the Used to Be in Love Strapless Bustier. Nothing says it girl more than Sabrina Carpenter, so I'm definitely happy and we're off to a great start with this haul. Next up, I've got a little long sleeve off the shoulder top moment. This is the only long sleeve top I got. It's more wintry, but I feel like it could be worn in summer with a skirt. I love how it's off the shoulder as well, as I said, showing off some skin without being too revealing. This really nice detailing and a cute little bow as well, so it's not completely plain. You've got a little bit of design going on there to make it extra cute. This is such a nice basic, and it's almost like an elevated basic because it has all this structuring in the front. Having good basics in your wardrobe is the key to mastering the it girl outfits. Next up, I went for more of a sultry, mature vibe with this red wine corset top. I'm obsessed with the structuring right here. Super nicely structured, so you don't have to worry about any flashing moment. At the back, as you can see, there is a super nice lacy tie-up, so you can tie it as tight as you want and it will be super cinched, so you can really get that cinched waist look. This one is the Love is All Around Bustier in wine. The material feels so high quality. Finally, for tops, I have a classic black corset, since this is such a staple in any girl's wardrobe, and I actually didn't have a classic black corset. I love how this one is kind of more elevated than the classic lacy ones. I feel like it's much more chic with this design on the straps. You can see it's more of like a rhinestone, kind of like bikini-like attachment, and at the front obviously it's very structured, as most corsets are, and zips up in the back. I also love that the straps are adjustable because I have quite small shoulders and I always find that straps fall down, so this will definitely be nice and secure. It's a metallic black rather than just plain, which just elevates it so much more. I feel like this could be so classy with some leather trousers or a skirt for a girl's cocktail evening moment, or any just fancier event where you don't want to wear a dress. This is the Born to Dream Bustier in black. I am so obsessed with all those tops, and I know you will be too. So now let's move on to jeans. I got 2 pairs of jeans in this order. I know it's summer, but you can always use a staple pair. The first one I got is actually boot cut. Since the skinny jean is kind of having a comeback, I feel like boot cut is the perfect medium between the skinny and wide leg jeans, so then you can balance both trends. These ones are so cool because they are studded all along the side and on the pockets on the back. It's giving Y2K. It's giving elevated basics once again, which is such an it girl trend. If you wear an elevated basic, it's like wearing an outfit but making it that much better, that much cooler, that much more trendy. And this, with honestly any of the tops that I just ordered, would be perfect. That is just so flattering. They feel super nice, stretchy but not too stretchy. The Blake low-rise studded flare jeans in brown blue. For the other pair of jeans, I went with a more classic grey wide-legged jean. This is nice and baggy because I wanted some jeans that would be comfy but cute. So when you don't want to wear sweats or leggings but you want to still be comfy, this is the perfect medium, getting a size up in some baggy jeans. Hailey low-rise wide leg jeans in light grey. I love the light grey colour because I feel like it's a bit smarter than a blue jean, and as you can see, it has this really nice stitching and detailing throughout the leg, which makes it look so much more elevated and classy. Also love how there's this little heart on the back. I feel like these are going to be so cute, and once again would go with any of the tops that I just showed you. Continuing on with the Sabrina Carpenter vibe, I got this cute little white mini skirt with a lace underlining. It actually comes in the same color as the pink heart-shaped bustier as well, if you wanted to get that matching set. But I thought white is, once again, the theme of this video, giving elevated basic. It's a basic white skirt, but you have this nice lace underneath, so that just makes it that much more stylish and cute. You could pair it with a simple top to dress it down, maybe in the daytime or for a more low-key event, or you can dress up at night with one of the corset tops. Love a pleated skirt. It's giving Y2K having a comeback at the moment. It's definitely a mini skirt, but I think this could be so cute with some cowboy boots or kitten heels or even sneakers, depending on what vibe you're going for. This is the Old Days pleated mini skirt in white. I have a similar skirt in grey that I wear all the time and get so many compliments on, so I cannot wait to style this summer. I got two more elevated evening going out kind of vibe outfits. The first one is this set, and nothing says it girl more than a matching set. Firstly, it's this bustier corset-like tank top, so it's fitted here, but the material is super stretchy, so it's not so restrictive and uncomfy like a corset. It has built-in wiring like this bra, and once again the adjustable straps, which I love, so you can make it super nice and fitted. The other part of the set is this long skirt, which is honestly so cute, and it has this ruche detailing at the top, a slit, and then is long and flowy, so it will be nice and airy during the summer, but is a bit more covered than a mini skirt. So nice for when you want to have your legs covered but still want to look cute and show off a little bit of skin. This is the Champagne Moments Maxi skirt, the Champagne Moments bustier. Let's not forget how cool this glittery material is, so fun and girly, and just elevates it that much more. I cannot wait to wear this out because it's giving the most it girl. I think this is my favorite item so far because a set is so fun because you can mix and match. I could wear this with the jeans, I could wear this skirt with some of the tops. It's just perfect. Probably the most dressy item I got in this haul is this long maxi black dress. It takes time mesh maxi dress, and it has this cute cutout in the middle. It's very interesting. I've never seen any dress like this, with long sleeves, then this v-neck here, and this ruching around the neck. It's honestly so flattering and cute with this nice cutout. I love a cutout dress, especially since it's long. It's giving covered, but having a little bit of skin showing is super nice and flattering. Ruches make it so much more elevated once again and add a super nice detail, so it's not just a plain black dress. It's more of this mesh material, but it's not completely see-through because it's definitely double lined, so I don't think you'll have to worry about that. But it is nicer than just having a plain black cotton. It's more of an elevated material and definitely looks expensive and classy. I can't wait to wear this to a more classy night event, this is going to be such a staple when I have a random event that I just didn't know was going to happen. You can throw it on for summer and everyone's going to be asking you where you got this dress from. I actually realized that I got one more dress in this haul. It's this cute strapless red mini dress. Very different to the other black dress, which is super nice to have some contrast. It's kind of giving like if a corset became a dress. You've got this structuring in the front. It's very similar to the Sabrina Carpenter-esque corsets that I showed at the beginning. This lovely lacing down the back. It's such a pretty detail and it can cinch you in without being completely open since it's lined behind. This is really nice because then you can get it to fit your body exactly, and I love it when a dress has that, so it looks like it was tailor-made to you. Also has this nice ruffle detailing at the bottom. This is the Parisian Dream strapless mini dress in red. You already know I love a strapless moment, so I'm so excited for this one. Now that I've shown you all the regular clothes, we're gonna move on to the activewear. Since I wear activewear almost every day, I wanted to add some more basics to my wardrobe. I have a few sets already, and one of them is a pink shorts and leggings set, so I really wanted a nice sports bra to match this. Love this design and how it's a twist in the front, so flattering on the chest, and it has such a nice cross in the back as well. It's also a really nice soft material rather than that scuba like material, but still has that stretch to it, so I feel like this would be super comfy for like Pilates or yoga or hot girl walks, which is basically the main workouts that I do. I honestly am obsessed with pink and I cannot wait to wear this one. It's definitely giving pink Pilates princess. I also decided to get a similar shaped sports bra in black. This one is a slightly different, it doesn't have a twist in the front, it's more of a ruching scrunch, but it's basically the same concept, and this will go so nicely with my black leggings when I want to do maybe an all black moment and I have my little zip up. I feel like this could be such a cute set. Excited to make my workout sets just that bit more flattering and elevated. It wouldn't be an activewear haul without getting a set, so of course I had to get a set for summer. I didn't have that many workout shorts, I have a lot of leggings, so I went for this charcoal pair of workout shorts. This is the stronger high-waisted shorts, the 3-inch version, but they have different lengths. They have longer ones as well. I just prefer the shorter ones because I feel like they're more comfortable since they don't ride up when you're working out. I paired this with the matching top in charcoal. This is the Work It Out crop. It has a built-in sports bra with pads that are removable just like the other sports bra, and this cool racer back look, so it's giving a bit more support. I'm obsessed with this set together. It's definitely gonna give it girl energy. I can wear it on my hot girl walks to get a matcha, to Pilates at the gym. It's just perfect for everything, and it's that super soft material. White Fox is my new go-to activewear brand. Last but not least, I have 3 bikini sets that I got. Firstly, I went for this leopard print bikini. This high-waisted bikini, definitely very cheeky in the back. You can't go wrong with a leopard print. I feel like it's just always in style no matter what the trends are. I love a triangle shaped bikini. I find that this is most flattering on my body type, and they also have these patterns and styles in different colors and styles, so you can have a look on their website, and if you like the pattern, find that in the style that suits you best, a different style or a different color. It's double lined and definitely feels like good quality, so I'm super excited to wear this on my summer vacation. I definitely liked the leopard print, so I got, this is technically not leopard print, but it's very similar animal print in blue. This is a super cute set, and it's kind of giving a corset, more structured top, which is nice to have a variety of different styles depending on like where you want to get tan lines, but I feel like both of these tops are pretty good for tan lines. We don't have anything going across. A nice clip in the back, just a classic bikini shape with this really nice detailing along the edge. The boat party bikini top in leopard. Finally, since I'm going to be going away on vacation this summer, I decided I was going to get some very tropical style bikinis with this nice flower print. I love light blue. I'm definitely in my light blue era this summer, but it obviously has such a nice pop of pink, so my pink and blue girlies will definitely love these. These bottoms are so flattering because you have the scrunch on the back, which is so perfect and super nice. It will also stay nice and tight because it's a tie on the sides, which I love, so you can make it fit you exactly. This is the golden hour bikini top. This pattern is Malibu Breeze. Is definitely giving Malibu vibes. These bottoms are the carbo bottoms in Malibu Breeze as well. There you have it, the full White Fox Summer 2025 It Girl clothing haul. I hope you've enjoyed this haul, and obviously I will link everything below as well as all my socials. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to check out all my other videos. I make lots of makeup tutorials and morning routines. Please let me know if you'd like to see more haul videos or more makeup videos or routines, what you like to see from me. I always appreciate your comments, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.